my job for today, I'm gonna reroute this sump pump line right here. Because right now, somebody's got it tied into here, which goes to the septic tank. So it's kind of overloading the lateral field, but I think what they've asked me to do, we're just gonna run it straight over to this wall. Yes, we're gonna reroute it from there, 90 it, run it over to the wall. I got me a core drill. We're gonna drill through the wall somewhere around here, and then which I gotta redo part of the positive drain. But then we're gonna run it, dig underneath there and run it about 40 feet outside to a ditch. So yeah, a little different than the norm, but I don't know, kind of looking forward to it. Something to change it up. So we'll see how this goes. Here's kind of the I don't know, completed indoor part of it. I got that routed up on the sump pump, ran it over to the wall, and had a bolt break on me. So I think the homeowner was actually running into town, so he's going to pick up a couple more clamps and some more bolts, and we're going to kind of in between each one of those clamp it on. But it's got like, I think 4 inches of fall, and then it runs down over to here and outside. So now gotta go do the fun part and start digging on the outside, see if I can find the end of that perimeter drain and dig a ditch to tie this and fix the perimeter drain and daylight it out to a ditch. But it looks like or they had the perimeter drain. It's like it runs off out that way, because I didn't see the rest of the rock and stuff right here. I don't want to take all these shrubs out, so I luckily got the 4-inch perimeter drain. I switched over to solid when I came out of the house, but it's got clean rock all around here, but all this fell in. And then I got the 2-inch sump pump line coming out through here. So now I'm going to go ahead and pull up here with the excavator and backfill this up some. So I want to hook that downspout up to it, bury that, and then daylight it out next to this other line. So I mean, it's not ideal. Like I said, there's enough clean rock on there. I was hoping to get some of my fabric and stuff down, but now I'm worried about digging this back out, that I'll end up tearing up the lines I got in here. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of go with it. Well, it got dark on me last night, but I got the seed and stuff. I got the seed put down. I had a little more this morning because it rained half of the night last night, and I got one piece of erosion control mag down. You can tell it's the one that's a little darker color, but then I came back this morning and threw some more seed down and tried to finish doing this. Like I said, it's super muddy, and this is where it comes out. I believe that one's the positive drain, downspout, and then the sump pump. Yeah, I just like using this matting better. You can kind of pin it on there, and with the straw, it's just gonna blow around. Like I said, this guy's trying to sell this property, so he's not living here right now. So I figured this would be the best case scenario on the side of this hill. But yeah, everything inside's done. I got that shrub put back. We'll see. Hopefully it'll make it. I kind of dug it in deeper and watered it in last night and got it all tamped down. The dirt work wasn't the best. It's a lot of rock and clay. I just used what was here and trying to track it in with the excavator. And of course it started pumping because it's been wet, and the way this drain has not been working on the house. So yeah, we'll see how this comes out. He was happy with it. Everything was like I said, the sump pump inside and stuff's been rerouted and got these out here, so he shouldn't have to worry about overloading his leach field on a septic tank anymore. But this one's a wrap, and we'll see what Monday brings.